you guys have to drink all of your root beer before you can burp. Alright? Now, you guys are going to vote on who has the best burp. Alright? So, gentlemen and ladies, open up your can of pop. Open it. Oh. Wow. They spill it everywhere. Kind of fizzed everywhere. Alright. You guys ready? No. Alright. On the count of 3, you're going to drink it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, drink. Dave, it's just root beer. You don't need a puke in. Alright, keep drinking. When you're done with the can, put it down. When you're done with the can, put it down. Dave, are you bleeding? Okay, good. Alright, oh, that almost came out your nose. Alright, you guys almost ready? You ready? Alright, listen, Jansen's ready. Here we go.
That was lame.
Oh, it's not. Are you ready? You ready? Alright, here we go.